applications.
Kitang-kita mo yung difference ng time.
Yeah.
Ang dami.
Definitely game changing.
Yep. Definitely game changing. I like that.
45 days. You
But
can see the
mon-
plant height, diba?
Monster ang
And then, parang ano to, ito yung mga Pilipino, yun Amerikano. Sunod-sunod yung shoots niya eh. Stem is very
larger.
thick.
Yeah. That's the current
This is
practice.
current. Look how malnourished
Yeah.
it looks.
This stem.
And then this is the treatment for. Look at that.
Yeah.
Diba?
Ang dami.
Ito, hirap na hirap kami magpalaki ng plant na ganitong plant height. 45 days.
But
See the plant height, diba?
monster ang
And then, ito, current practice. Look at them. Bansot.
mansot.
Ano to sir? Around 67 days na. Parang ano to, ito yung mga Pilipino, yun Amerikano. Parang kami ni Jeremiah. Ako yung Amerikano, Pilipino.
Yeah. This is current practice, no?
Ibang iba eh.
This is current
No?
practice. Application.
Kitang-kita mo yung difference ng time.
Yeah. The 5
No?
is really
Saka yung observation din sa ng punta. Itong sumusunod na leaves nito. Ganito talaga yung characteristics ng green. Sa farmer's practice sir.
oh,
Pero pagdating
doon
Bulbo eh.
ganda ng formation nito.
You see, ito nga.
bumubuo yung formation.
Yeah.
So, sorry,
You see how ito
Yeah.
makulot?
The difference between
kumukulot.
Kumukulot siya, diba?
Okay. Yung sa kabila,
Yung, look at the leaves.
ibang bulas.
Diba? Yun. That's the word, bulas.
So robust.
Yeah.
So it's robust word. Yeah.
Voluptuous.
Voluptuous. Okay, yeah. This is really good.
Ang laki ng expenses namin sa isang hectare.
Stem. Treatment 4. Treatment 4. Versus current practice. And this one, anong na-observe? Mas malago yung dahon, no?
Mas malago yung dahon, mas madami siyang shoots na lumalabas. This is
Itong
called shoots.
You need to have more of those shoots, right?
Yes. See, look
Dito,
compared
the
to
current practice.
current practice. Look at this. Sunod-sunod.
This is the game changer protocol.
Yan. Sunod-sunod.
Mas marami. Mas marami shoots. And that,
Saka yung
the shoots
leaves
will
niya,
give you.
yung leaves niya buo.
The leaves are.
So, buo siya.
When you say buo, what's the dito pala? This is like
This is the same.
maraming iba-ibang ano, no?
Tsaka yung health niya doesn't look so healthy. Malabot yung dahon.
So you're observing with treatment 4 game changer. This is you're having more shoots.
Yeah, we're having just yung sunod-sunod yung shoots niya eh.
Yeah. And the stem, you're seeing that the stem,
The stem is very
larger.
thick,
Yeah. Pakilagay daw, pare
compared
ko.
to
Lagay
this.
mo dito. That's the current
This is
practice.
current. Look how malnourished
Yeah.
it looks.
The stem.
And then this is the treatment for. Look at that.
Yeah.
Diba? Even the thickness of the stems,
And the shoots.
the
not really
shoots,
yeah.
the shoots are just here.
Yeah.
Sunod-sunod siya eh. Definitely game changing.
Definitely game changing. I like that.